Hi there. This video is to quickly show you how to get started with PPC Ad Editor. So the screen that we're looking at here is basically the All Previews page. On the left-hand side, you'll see all the different dashboards that we have for this particular account. You can think of a dashboard as a Google Ads account. So if you manage multiple ads account, you would create a dashboard for each, and that way you can segment the different campaigns or the different accounts. Just clicking through the different dashboards here. I already have one made for dentists. So let's go ahead and create a preview. So the first thing you want to do is click the new preview button, and then you'll be presented with 4 options of how to populate your data. The first way is to import a file, either using an Excel bulk sheet, which you can download the template here, or if you're like using Google Ads Editor, you can actually export your campaigns from there, a CSV file, and then use that to populate your data. The second way to populate your preview is to use the download sync function. And basically how that works is you connect PPC Ad Editor to your live Google accounts, and then from there, once it's connected, you can download your existing campaigns. Third is using demo data. Basically, we have a library of pre-built templates in different industries, so you can go ahead and select some and kind of just get you started. And then finally, we have the start from scratch method. And basically how that works is you're presented with a blank slate, and then you can go ahead and start your campaigns from scratch. So what I'll do here is I'll just click on demo data, and I'll just pick custom t-shirts. So you see here, it takes about just a couple seconds to create a preview, and this is what a preview looks like. On the left-hand side is your navigation tab, and it's organized by campaign and then by ad groups. So you're able to drop down to the specific section of the ad group. And then what we're actually looking here is at the very top are your global account level ad extensions. So we have site links, callouts, structured snippets, and calls. If you scroll down, it'll be the first campaign, custom t-shirts, and then the first ad group, affordable custom t-shirts. And then there we have 3 expanded text ads, followed by responsive search ads, and you'll see all the different headlines and descriptions here. And then we also support call-only ads. And then if you keep scrolling down, you'll see all the keywords that are associated with that ad group. So pretty simple. Then if you look at the very top are your navigation menu. So we're looking at the preview mode. If you go to edit mode, this actually opens up our visual builder. So this is where you would add new objects, and objects can be anything like site links, keywords, ads, things like that. So for example, here we have 3 ads here. You're able to add another one if you want to. What you can also do is edit the existing ads, duplicate, hide, enable, or delete. The hide function is pretty cool just because let's say you already have some existing ads that you don't need to show or you don't need to get approved. You can hide that, and then you can go back to preview mode. And then now that those 2 ads that I hid are now gone. And then real quickly, once you're happy with your campaign build, just go over to the Share tab. And this is where you have 2 options of sharing your campaigns. The first one is just copying a URL. And you can think of this as a quick and dirty way to show your campaigns. They won't be able to comment or make any edits, but they can still preview it. If you want someone to be able to comment or edit, then you would need to invite them to the project. And what will happen is you'll have 2 options. One is the edit permission, and basically once you give them edit permissions, your reviewer can edit any object, meaning they can add any ads, edit any ad. So that's great for clients that are more hands-on, that like to edit their own ads, or if you have copywriters on your team that want to go in there and just edit the ads. If you don't want that, just give them view mode. View access, and then they can only make comments on there. And then once you give them permission, or once you invite them to the project, you would go to the comments section here, and this is where the feedback flow kind of happens here. So you would add a comment here. The reviewer actually sees the same screen and can comment in real time, so you can almost chat in real time and go back and forth. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, support at ppcadeditor.com. Thank you.